Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If this your first time being here, I'm your boy the Dashing Trader. Hey, hit that like and that subscribe button. We got an order. What the fuck is this? Sitting here at whack ass Walmart, trying to get a Spark offer. They ain't send me nothing. They got an incentive. Extra $4 for orders picked up after 8 p.m., right? Man, these raggedy bastards ain't send me no order. I've been out here since 8 p.m., man. I'm about to turn on DoorDash, man. I ain't got time for this. Got me out here wasting my damn time. Turn this DoorDash app on, see what's popping. Yeah, I go to 10 p.m. And you better send me something good or I'm turning it off. For the accuracy streak. Man, quit telling me all that nonsense. I don't care about that. Where is the money? Let me see. Order accuracy. That shit don't mean nothing. He killing it. If you ain't giving me no money, don't be telling me no crazy stuff about no order accuracy. I don't care about none of that. Where is the money, DoorDash? 1 to 5 minutes for my next order. It better be. Or that's your ass. I'm not playing. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Because you see how much money I done made. $0. Messing around with these damn apps. Boy, I'm tired as hell. It's 9 o'clock. I've been out here all day. Made $175 multi-apping. And now they don't want to send me no order. Got me sitting out here wasting my time.
Come on, man.
I ain't got no gas. Look at this. Sitting in this parking lot. Ain't making no money. The hell is going on? DoorDash, you better send me something good. Let it be 10 miles away. See what happened. Watch I decline the hell out of that order. Up here got me out here doing this crap. Making these questionable decisions. What's going on? Why that shit say 0? I should be at $100 already. Tired of this. You better send me an order too. Got me sitting here recording this screen. Ain't nothing happening. Where is the action? You talking about some dash now? Motherfucker, I'm ready. Dash when you send me an order, more like dash now my ass. It better be 3 more minutes and I better get an order. If not, uninstalling the app. Straight up. Man, DoorDash be flat out lying. It's been 17 minutes, y'all. Look, it's been 17 minutes. The map done expanded, shrunk, These rat bastards ain't send me nothing. They ain't send not one order, nothing to accept, nothing to decline. DoorDash, you ain't even gotta lie. If it's busy, just say it's busy. If it ain't, just say it ain't. You got me out here thinking I'm about to get an order. Man, they ain't send my black ass shit. 1 to 5 minutes, my ass. And they got the nerve to talking about some, oh, check out your driving insights. What? How about some insights into some earnings for some money? I don't care about that. Talking about, oh, you completed your last 10 deliveries. You got a delivery streak. Keep it going. How I'm going to keep it going with no orders, DoorDash? It makes no sense. What's going on, man? It's 9 o'clock at night. I know these bastards out here hungry. Man, send me an order before I uninstall this shit. Whew, man, I can't even remember the last time I did DoorDash in the evening time. I've been sitting here paused, just staring at the timer like, should I unpause it? Should I not? I don't know. I do not know. I usually be on the Walmart Spark at this time of the evening. It's 5 p.m., 5:10 to be exact. Let's go ahead and hit resume and see what they send me. It look like it's busy. It say estimated time 2 to 6 minutes for our first offer. I just hope it ain't no trash can offer because I actually don't want to regret this. I don't want to end up saying, man, I should have turned on Walmart Spark or Grubhub or something else, anything else, Instacart. But you know what? DoorDash is the king. So let's see if the king can give us an order. $2 for 3.4 miles at KFC. Boy, DoorDash, you got me all the way messed up. $2, 3.4 miles at KFC. What is this? Come on now. Nah, man, I can't do that. Hell nah. What the hell wrong with them? They should have just went on and made me wait the whole 6 minutes if that's the first thing they gonna send me.
I got you, homie.
Nah, bro, we ain't getting down like that. No, not today. Send me $10 for 1 mile and then we can talk big.
What?
But ain't no way. $2? 3 point something miles? So you basically just want me to pick this up and deliver it for free, huh?
You're broke!
Don't even worry about making no money on this one, huh? Don't worry about how long it take. You know, you pull up KFC.
You're f***ing poor!
Ain't nothing but 1.5 people inside there working. Okay. So they got 1.5 employees on deck. Okay. Take them about, what, 10 minutes to give you the damn order. You been on the order for 14 minutes. Look at this crap. $6.50 for 5.2 miles. It's the same no-tip order stacked with a $4.50 order, but more mileage. Boy, it is out of their mind. Look, $6.50 for 5.2 miles. Nah, bro. We ain't getting down like that. Decline. Stop playing with me. They already know what time I'm on. I'm not having none of that nonsense. I knew I should have turned on Spark.
Do it!
I knew it.
Just
They just sent me 2 dumb orders. Who is doing that at 5 p.m.? What's this? $7.50 for 6.5 miles? That ain't good either, but I wish they would have sent that first. Like, what the hell is going on? Hell no, DoorDash, you got me messed up. I should have turned on Walmart Spark. Boy, I just wasted all time. I just declined basically 4 offers out the gate. Nigga ain't made no money. What the hell? I just put $23 in the gas tank at this damn Sam's Club, man. Like, all right, let me make a couple dollars back real quick. Man, I should have turned Spark on. I probably would have got a $20 order going 1 mile away. DoorDash got me messed up. Boy, I'm about to cut this thing right back off. I'm about to cut it right back off because they got me messed up. Who is taking these orders? And how is you making money? This is prime time dinner time. Ain't no way I'm supposed to be seeing 7. Listen. Ain't no way I'm gonna make it to platinum like this. Look. Nah, bro, I'm about to cut this nonsense off. If they don't send me a good order next, I am cutting it off. They just sent me 3 dumb orders. I'm cutting it off. This is $3.25, 4.7 miles. Hell no, DoorDash, you got me messed up. Look at that. $3.25 for 4.7 miles. That's absolutely crazy, man. Nah. Decline. Straight down to 42. You know what? It is what it is. I'm not playing no games, y'all. I'm ending the dash. I'm not having it. I'm not. Bro, ain't no way I'm finna sit up here and decline 4-5 orders. Ain't none of them orders was good. Ain't none of them was good. And look at this. They got a $2 peak pay over in Ferguson. Downtown St. Louis ain't got no peak pay. But they got a $2 peak pay over here. It's busy in Florissant. What's this? University City. They got it jamming over there in Clayton too. Man, this is absolutely crazy. They just sent me basically 5 offers that was all trash. I couldn't even make a decent order at 5 p.m. on DoorDash. That's absolutely crazy. Look. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Don't take offers like the ones I just showed you. DoorDash, you got us all the way messed up. We is not taking that crap. If you can't do better, just go ahead, tell the customer, hey, ain't nobody taking this order. You got to throw a tip on there or you just ain't finna get it straight up. I'm out. I'll holler at y'all in the next one. I'm out. Oh, yeah, he know what he doing. That's awesome.